How to download and install Cisco WebEx on PC or laptop. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how, you may follow up the simple steps in order to do so. So for that, you can go ahead and open up any of your preferred browser, for example Google Chrome, and just go ahead and simply search for Cisco WEBEX and you will be finding the official link of WEBEX. From there, you can just go ahead and open up the link of WEBEX, which is webex.com, or you can directly look out for the download option right here in the below and click on it. So once you go ahead and click on it, you will be taken to another interface right here. And right in this interface of your screen, you can easily find for Windows. So you can easily look out for this download option right here and click on it. It may take about some minute for the download to be completed. Depending upon the file size, you can look out for the downloads at the top of your screen and you can look out for if it is downloaded or not. So once it is downloaded like this, you can go ahead and open it up on your file. And once you open it up, you can just go ahead and install it on your device by opening it up from your file manager. And you can find it has been installing. You just need to wait for it to be installed on 100%. And once it is installed, you will be finding it on your screen. And that's it.